Seated comfortably in any seated posture, with spine upright, shoulders tucked back, back of the head in line with the spine. Gently close your eyes and try to slowly withdraw your mind to look at that vast infinite space in front of your closed eyes. Chidakash, such a big universe, such a huge galaxy. Continue watching whatever you see here, colors, shadowy movements, darkness or light. Continue Kapalbhati now. Restart Kapalbhati after watching your breath. Continue Kapalbhati. Continuing to do Kapalbhati, open your eyes. Check whether you're still doing Kapalabhati at this point. Welcome each one of you to Breathwork for Longevity. I'm going to start with a small Q&A now. I want to ask you all two simple questions. How many of you would like to live longer and healthier? Write me in the chat box. How many of you would like more energy and immunity by doing simple breath work? Write me in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much, because you could be doing something more important. You could be needing to attend to someone. You needed to be with some commitments where children needed to be taken for, say, a squash or a skates coaching class. It's, after all, a Saturday morning. And yet you chose to be here. Here I'm going to say 3 unspoken words, 3 secrets for longevity. 1, Ayushya depends on the number of breaths one takes in a lifespan. 2, Stress determines how long one lives. 3. Arrhythmia can lessen a person's lifespan. Check if you're still doing Kapalbhati. If you're still doing Kapalbhati, write me in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, thank you. Continue Kapalbhati. While doing Kapalbhati, let us also run through some rules, because in the absence of rules, there will be chaos. In the absence of rules, one can result in a compromised sense of accountability, hindering our progress. And here we are doing something extremely dynamic and effective for the next 35 minutes. This is a live masterclass cum webinar. There are no breaks. No recordings will be shared. Please turn off all the distractions, tabs, phones on silent. Do plan and schedule to stay in the end. Today, really today, is too special. I'll tell you why very soon. Questions and answers in the end, so don't put them in the chat box, because in all the replies they will get hidden. It's better to make a note in a hard copy in your pen or in your book or your journal, okay? Don't put them here on the chat box, because they'll go scroll up, no? That's why. Bonuses at the end of the session. I deeply appreciate your presence here today, especially today because you all have come organically. This week, I did not put any Facebook ads or anything. I just want to grow organically through your satisfaction and word of mouth. That's why I appreciate your today's presence even more, because I'm committed to providing you with the utmost value and assistance in resolving your health concerns like I did for many, many others. One promise that I can make is that this will be time very well spent. Bonuses in the end. I'm the founder of yogdivine.com, and I'm the national president of WICI, Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I've got 1.6 million views on YouTube and 11,500. Currently, it has reached 16,000 subscribers. I've been an awardee several times of a Woman of Excellence and featured in 2 international coffee table books by international authors. Awardee several places. I've also done breath work, workshops, shibirs, etc. across the globe in corporates and beyond. Featured in several articles, newspaper, magazines, etc. This one is Enlighten India. It's a Middle Eastern brochure. This one is GQ, a Gujarati paper, Parsi Times. And you did see this just a while back on my wall behind.
એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન સમજાવું છું. યોગા એ છે જેમાં ચિત્તની વૃત્તિનું પર નિરોધ આવતું જ આવતું હતું, પણ હવે
I think we
સમજાવું છું. યોગા એ છે જેમાં ચિત્તની વૃત્તિનું પર નિરોધ. નિરોધ એટલે ઇટ્સ અ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ બર્થ કંટ્રોલ વર્ડ આપણે વાપરતા હતા એ પહેલા. એ ચિત્તની વૃત્તિ એટલે 5 સેન્સીસ એન્ડ ધ માઇન્ડને કંટ્રોલ કઈ રીતે લાવવું. તદા દ્રષ્ટવું સ્વરૂપે અવસ્થાનમ એટલે ત્યારે દ્રષ્ટવું એટલે આપણે સિયર સીકર એવી અવસ્થામાં આવે જે ફાઇનલી યોગમાં હોય. તો જ્યારે માઇન્ડ બોડી અને સોલ કમ ટુ વન બેલેન્સ વેર ધ 5 સેન્સીસ એન્ડ ધ માઇન્ડ બધું એક સાથે કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ કરી શકે, બ્રેથ ઉપર અવેરનેસ આવે, ત્યારે they say કે there is a balance in the mind.
That was when we launched the Fit India movement with Our honorable Prime Minister, that is me, looking very different in that interview because the studio room, the green room made all these curls. Half of the people don't recognize me. That's why I'm saying that on CNBC.
આવતું જ આવતું હતું પણ હવે હું ફરીથી એનું એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન
He says yoga in general and breathwork in particular are philosophies of discipline and meditation that transform us. Discontinue Kapalbhati now. Go to the chat box and write yes if you did continue Kapalbhati till now, or forgot. Write F, forgot, in the chat box. This accountability to one's own self is very important. F for forgot. No तो हम कभी लिखते ही नहीं हैं. पता है ना, चॉइसेस देते हैं जब रेस्टोरेंट्स, डिड यू लाइक द फूड, ये वो, तब नो तो हमने लिखा ही नहीं है. विल लेट यू नो लेटर होता है, नो नहीं होता. यस या फॉरगॉट या लॉस्ट काउंट. दिस इज माई स्टोरी. I hail from one of the eastern suburbs of Mumbai called Ghatkopar. That's my parents on the left, my mom with me pregnant 7 months in the center, and that's me copying my mom. From a school there near Vidya Vihar, Fatima High School, my parents here, happily married to my husband Sunil Doshi, blessed family here, my in-laws on the left, my samdis, my sons, my daughters-in-law, my pets, my grandchildren. My story here is something very interesting. How many of you want to know my story so that you can relate with my story and say, hey, Bijal, I have an identical story. Write me in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you. So after my second delivery in 1992, I was battling between a work-life balance. I was getting lots of opportunities. I was heading several women's organizations, but I was called a Sabbandarka Vepari. I started many ventures and failed repeatedly at a time when I was getting many mentors and learning opportunities in my life because I was multitasking from babysitting to pet sitting. I was lost, I was confused, I was isolated, victimized, sometimes depression, sometimes anxiety, sometimes distress, sometimes helpless, sometimes powerless. If any of you have felt this and these kind of emotions at any time in life, write me in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Confronted by thefts, I had 2 huge ones. Loss of my best friend in the Bangalore air crash and bedridden with excruciating back pain during my pregnancy. I was 7 months pregnant and my leg was up in traction. I tethered, means was battling at the edge of despair. Depression, panic attacks, anxiety bouts took over, and by then I knew that every emotion was connected with my breaths. There were 2 or 3 incidences when I was at the verge of wanting to end my life. You know, some people get that kind of a suicidal feeling ka bout for a minute. That's how I felt. At that time, I had these top 3 learnings from my grandmother, my Nani, Mama's mom. She would repeatedly say, storms make trees take deeper roots. Tough times don't last, tough people do. Diamonds are made under pressure, making you stronger in every trial you endure. My grandmom was a very, very popular jeweler of Mumbai. Okay, she used to make this amazing diamond jewelry, catering to celebrities and many more, and I was always under her wings. So she would always talk about diamonds are made under pressure. A diamond is just a piece of charcoal that handled stress exceptionally well, she would say in her own words. Recalling my grandmother's brave disposition and one of my mentor's words of wisdom, change the breath, change the emotion, I launched breathwork for longevity. From darkness to healing, my journey now empowers my tribe to find their ultimate freedom through the transformative power of breaths. Start with abdominal breathing now. As you hear me and as you see the slides, inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. अब abdominal breathing शुरू करें. सांस लीजिए, अपने पेट को फुलाए, पूरे हर एक ऑर्गन को ऑक्सीजनेटेड एयर और ब्लड दे. सांस छोड़िए. Change the breath which you just did now, right? Change the emotion. Brought the launch of breathwork for longevity, and ever since, there's no looking back. I launched several YouTube videos showing them ways of curing innumerable ailments. Innumerable, from hearing loss to vertigo to migraines, headaches, being empowered through Kapalbhatis, longevity, magical blends of chakra meditations infused with breath work, with a twist which we just did, Kapalbhatis, with Nasagraha mudras, Swan pranayams, everything and more. Boosting energy, post लॉकडाउन मतलब पोस्ट कोविड की जो टेस्ट सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट जिनका चला गया हो, फोकसिंग ऑन ब्रेथ्स फॉर इनर पीस. Miraculous Kapalbhati. With that, I changed the lives of 16,000 patrons, and now they're not only happy and healed, but wealthy and prosperous. Continue abdominal breathing. There is something that learning requires, and that, my friends, is energy. And energy only comes if we pump ourselves very well from the deepest part of our being to our fascias with oxygenated air. Continue abdominal breathing as you see these statistics. 26% are respiratory infections, and all others also are those where breaths were erratic. Populated countries have more respiratory and other health ailments than less populated countries. Those who practice breathwork regularly have a higher life expectancy. Breathworks need formulas. You cannot just randomly do anything. There are 5 basic types and 3 categories. There are balancing, calming, energizing. There are tranquilizing and cooling. Each one has a formula. And there we come now to the 3 secrets, the pitfalls due to erratic breaths. Continue abdominal breathing. As you inhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. If you want now for me to unravel the 3 secrets, the 3 pitfalls of erratic breaths, write BIO, bring it on in the chat box. BIO. सब जाइए chat box पे. If you want to know the 3 secrets, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Areva. The first one. Reduced longevity is the first pitfall due to erratic breathing. When you have erratic or fast breathing, it will impede the body's ability to achieve calm, and it will reduce your lifespan. Longevity is defined as the capability to survive past the average age of death. Discontinue abdominal breathing, discontinue every other breath work, only pay attention to this screen. And notice, those who are fast breathers, very hyper, are hot-blooded. And those who are hot-blooded are very hyper and live anywhere between 0 and 35 years. Those who are medium-blooded, medium breathers, are medium-blooded, not hot-blooded, not cold-blooded. They are more peaceful. Their breaths are slower, and they live anywhere between 35 and 70 years. And those species who breathe slowly are cold-blooded and can live anywhere between 70 to 150 years. Human beings have a choice. Human beings can decide, because they are the only ones gifted with Sangni Panchendriya Pana, which means 5 senses and the mind. Are you sure that is our lifespan is predetermined by the number of breaths one is going to take in a lifespan, not by the number of years one is going to live? So you have a choice. You can decide how long you want to live. Arun Bhai says, I was down with medial medullary syndrome. I was kept in the ICU for 23 days with neurological complications. I may not have survived had I not been doing breath work regularly. I'm extremely lucky and fortunate that I joined Bijal's session some 13 years ago. Long live breath work for longevity, says Arun Bhai. Second secret is coming up. Do you want me to bring it on? Write BIOB in the chat box. Bring it on, Bijal. Thank you. Thank you. The second big secret is stress. It's a huge pitfall. It shows disrupted oxygen and carbon dioxide balance because of erratic breaths. It can reduce our oxygenation and increase our stress levels. Stress and breaths are interconnected. Stress can bring about a lot of medical complications, depression, panic attacks, insecurities, anxieties, many more. Horror, accidents, etc. also, insomnia also, dysfunctions also are created through stress. And then we sometimes say we have sleep disorders, snoring, sleep apnea, insomnia, restlessness. We say, I want to sleep, but my brain won't stop talking to myself. We come into panic modes. To add to that are today's times of stress, where our entire breathing goes out of rhythm, goes into a turmoil. And then we feel sometimes tired, sick, get headaches. We worry about our bills, our payments. We are in fear modes. To add to that, we may have late nights, no problem. We may have anxieties. We worry about old age. Will my children look after me? Retirement. Everything creates anxiety, panic attacks. But we want to bring not only an end to this for ourselves, but for those around us. We want to learn how this can be brought to an end. Sanjay Bhatia ji says, our morning's treat is this peppy and rejuvenating session with Bijal. We de-stress with heightened awareness due to breathwork and mudras. It is a rare and enriching experience. Thank you for making it possible to bring an intended outcome from pranayams, mudras, bandhs in such a short time, he says. And now the third secret. Arrhythmia. An arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat is a problem with the rate or rhythm of your heartbeat going haywire. Your heart may beat too quickly, too slowly, or with an irregular rhythm. How many of you know about arrhythmia? Write me in the chat box. Arrhythmia is a heart condition that causes the heart to beat abnormally fast or slow or irregularly. Irregular pulse rate can be dangerous for the heart. I want each one of you to tell me now, are these symptoms or signs of good health or deteriorating health? Write GH if you think these are signs of good health, or DH if these are signs of deteriorating health.
We had gone to Coorg recently with my family, my son's family, and my grandchildren, and we were touring, visiting temples and everywhere, which was quite tiring. But at the end of all these activities, we were required to go up 115 steps of a mountain to see a waterfall. And I was doubtful at first. Then I said, of course I can. And I went up normally along with my grandchildren at the same speed. And I didn't even realize that I was keeping up with their speed. After seeing the waterfall, we came down. I was with my grandchildren without stopping, without feeling anything at all. No panting, no stopping, nothing. I came down and up and down the mountain without even knowing that I did it. I was so comfortable. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have really changed my life.
You know, friends, I'm not one of those who needs to put testimonials and people saying good things about me. I don't like it. I really don't. I'm one of those really very modest people. I have already been through that success, through so many organizations where I have chaired, I have presided. These videos, these testimonials, these are all only to encourage y'all. Please know this is not a brag, not a funnel, not a show off, friends. Please try to understand that at this point. How many of you can make a powerful choice and make an effort to get rid of several health issues, not only in yourselves, but in those around you who you see in pain, even including monetizing that to get financial freedom? How many of you? But for that, you need hand holding. You need a tribe. You need accountability. You need consistency. And you need a mentor. You need hand holding. You need a tribe. You need consistency. So what you really need, friends, my dearies, is this and this. Honestly ask yourself, why do people fail to prioritize their health, to prioritize getting financial freedom, thus shortening their lifespan and their every opportunity to earn? Ask yourself two simple questions. Just two. How many of you realize there is a lot more to learn at this point? You are doing currently inhale, it's called Khanda Pranayam. Exhale, exhale, exhale. It's called Viloma Pranayam. Continue. Continue. By now you may feel, wow, I'm feeling fresh or I'm feeling tired. Either is fine. Every feeling has a reason. How many of you realize there is a lot more to learn? Abdominal breaths, thoracic breaths, clavicular breaths, hydrotherapy, food meditation, monetization, stabilizing pranayams, vitalizing pranayams, tranquilizing pranayams, each one to reverse health problems. How many of you understand that if you don't find a mentor, you're going to remain stuck with erratic breaths forever? My Breathwork for Longevity framework helps in streamlining health issues to address your core problem. It's going to expedite your recovery, to heal from any and every health challenge. For me personally, it is not only about your health, it revolves around my mission. Are you seeing the passion with which I'm even conducting this little workshop and webinar? While your health is crucial to me, it isn't the primary motivating force, friends. The breathwork for longevity is not something where get longevity quickly scheme happens. It is not for anyone and everyone. Please, here there is one question where you have to ponder upon. Given a passion for longevity, which means one where you want to live long, why do you struggle to make your healing journey endless where it comes to your commitment? Recognizing and understanding the interconnectedness of breaths which is happening now when you are doing Khanda Pranayam and Viloma Pranayam. There is an interconnectedness of your breath cycle. It is very crucial for your overall well-being and longevity. It's a transformative journey focused on unlocking lasting solutions rather than constantly firefighting. But this is not for everyone. Now give a sigh. Inhale, clenching your teeth, and exhale in Ujjayi. Cooling inhalation, Ujjayi exhalation. This is not for everyone. This will need your hard work, 100% responsibility, and your willingness to learn. Learning takes time and money. Invest in yourself. At this point, if any of you feel you can't put in the hard work, you can't be 100% responsible, and that you don't have the time or the money to invest in it, it's a good idea to leave, because I only want a very, very intimate community who's committed. This is not for those who don't want to live long and healthy. Every feeling saturates every cell and organ in your body. Every feeling. Good feelings promote health. Bad ones cause tension, altering our body functions. Negative emotions like stress, worry, and fear result in diseases. Now fold your tongue like a Frankie and again start. Inhale. Feel the cool in your gut. And exhale doing Om chants. Discontinue the cooling pranayam and the Om chant, only one now. At this point, I invite you to join my live online classes Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. These are not courses I'm selling to you, they are live experiences in which you get free daily video recordings worth 1,11,111 because they are sold individually on YouTube, Instagram, and many other platforms, in which we cover natural breaths like Samavriti Pranayam, the 5 effective breathing techniques, which are the vitalizing pranayams, the tranquilizing pranayams, the stabilizing pranayams, the cooling pranayams, and the balancing pranayams. We do Dirgha Pranayam, Ujjayi, breath work, Om exhalations, lion's breath, Anulom Vilom, Kapalabhati, facial yoga, eye exercises, all these infused with breath work and many more. With that membership, you get 27 videos of my best recordings, 27, which are worth 13,999. The moment you do the membership, you sign in. And 51 therapeutic videos which are ready to come your way so that you can start launching your own sessions too, watching them to address your friends, relatives, clients, everyone, your community squad tribes to get financial freedom worth 49,999. You get a certificate of completion at the end of the year, which is recognized internationally. I've turned many into teachers. All this is worth 1,85,108, that is 2,200 US dollars, which you get for 9,999. If you think this is worth, just write worth it in the chat box. Worth it, WORTHIT. You can use a short form, WI, in the chat box. Thank you, friends. Thank you for interacting in the chat box for this question. I'm on a mission. I really am. To help 100,000 patrons achieve longevity using breathwork infused with mudras where immunity and vitality flourish fearlessly. You've seen that I've only been able to influence 16,000 people yet. So there are a lot yet to be influenced. If you think that you are already ready to sign up, all you have to do is place your phone at this barcode on the camera and you will get the Razorpay link to pay up. But hold it. There's more coming. Don't pay. Don't pay because today I'm in another mode. Hold on, it's
Shiva,
coming. 7 minutes.
I'm quite lucky to have found Bijal recently. In last 4 days, her inputs have made an appreciable difference in my BP, and on a cumulative basis, it has come down by 20%, which is huge. She has a very holistic approach where she gives more importance to Mr. Mind rather than what you eat or what exercise you do. She also introduced me to wisdom points. Just to get some more examples, like for instance, you say only once, and if the job is not done, just get up and do that. The second one is get away from being perfectionist, which is a cause of a lot of pains and a lot of agonies. She introduced gradually to some of the process like hydrotherapy, Kapalbhati, and Bhasrika with twist, and last but not the least is a different type of Anulom Vilom with 3 exhalation. I will continue to get more inputs and I'll continue to follow her advice, and I'm really blessed to have found her. Thank you so much, Bijal.
2,000 plus testimonials and little time to go through them. Think of the ailment, and we've been able to address them with the breathwork formulas given to everyone. Pillu says your motivational talk and this unique fusion of pranayam, yoga mudras and breathwork dancing is something we look forward to for 30. We start with coming into peak state. When we start in the morning, we come into peak state where we do breathwork dancing to music. Bijal, they means family members are impressed that while Corona is going on in full swing, how come I'm absolutely fine? This was sent by Preeti Garg during peak Corona. I replied, it is credit goes to ma'am. Extremely grateful to your selfless service, Bijal. Your awesome energy motivates me to attend the sessions consistently. God bless you abundantly, MPTY. More power to you, Bijal. Although I have motivated you tremendously, each one of you will agree how much I'm motivating y'all. I need this? No, I don't. I need a brag? No, I don't. I need to show y'all 2000 testimonials? No, I don't. But I do this because there are times why people fail. They fail because they procrastinate, because they have a fear of failure. Procrastinate means to postpone. अभी नहीं यार, टाइम नहीं है, बाद में करेंगे. पुअर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है ना, 7:30 टाइम किसको है? फियर ऑफ फेलियर, नहीं कर पाऊंगी ये सब मैं. लैक ऑफ क्लियर गोल्स, पता ही नहीं मुझे आगे चाहिए क्या, मैं तो कंफ्यूज हूँ, अभी ही कितनी प्रॉब्लम है, बाद में क्या होगा. And they don't have a mentor. They haven't found me yet. I'm not the mentor. I make you your own mentor, friends. Great sessions, says Madhuri. So rhythmic and so smooth. Breathwork was the healing channel. You are a rock star and still so down to earth. Teachers are valued friends who inspire to do our best and praise us when we excel. They help us understand when we err, that is, when we make mistakes. They encourage us to try and try again. Thank you for being an awesome teacher, she says. For those of you who sign up now, you get what is called Nasya. This is Nasya. 3 drops every night in the nostrils, each nostril, to cure innumerable problems. Nasya is sent to you if you are a Mumbaiite and shipped to you if you are not in Mumbai, to relieve you from sinus so that you can do your breath work properly the next morning together with me and my community, to get mental clarity, to breathe better, to get relief from headaches and migraines, to detoxify, to balance your 3 dosh, to clear your nasal passages so that both nostrils remain open, to reduce hair fall, for your eye health. My mom had macular degeneration where she was taking injections in the eyes. Today, injections are stopped and her eye vision has come back to normal. Don't think this is something, some brag and some magical. हुआ है मेरी मॉम के साथ, दूसरों की तो बाद में बात. हुआ है, मम्मी यहाँ सेशन में बैठे हैं. Anti-aging benefits. And here are more testimonials only for Nasya. And you get this free 1 rupee note, which is either sent to you if you are a Mumbaiite, it's an antique note, each one of you get it, or shipped to you if you don't live in Mumbai. You get it today. It's shipped to you today. Or why am I giving this? Because we do gratitude infused breath work. 1 rupee note. We use this. It's coming up soon in the month of July. Gratitude infused breath work. These you get free if you sign up today. You also get the video of hydrotherapy infused with Kapalbhati free. That has its innumerable benefits. Baapre. And food meditation video. Of course, we will be doing this even in the morning regular sessions. They keep coming up in the regular sessions. All past recordings, hydrotherapy and food meditation, Nasya, and 1 rupee note to you. And this slide has just been added. It has just been added. Those who have come back to this webinar from the past webinars know that this was never there. Today I am in a mood to make my membership for Yog Divine Breaths of Glory affordable. We have a hospital here. We had a board of trustees meeting. I was just going to the meeting in my hospital because I am the trustee there, and I saw this son getting his mother on a wheelchair where he was supposed to give a particular advance at the cash counter in my hospital. because it is for the underprivileged but not free. He called his dad and said in Marathi that the advance that they are asking for is not affordable and mom doesn't have insurance. So his dad said to turn and to take her to another hospital which was free. We don't even know whether the doctors, etc., were as good as the hospital, which I have. At that point, I took his contact and tried to raise a donation for him and said, please hang on. I'm the trustee here. I rushed to my office from there and tried to make it possible. This is not a brag about me, friends. This is about making this more affordable. Personally, also, I have been through many challenges. Hence, today, at this moment, now, for the next 15 minutes, as I answer your questions, I have slashed my membership from now on, today on, to 31st December 2024 to 5,555. 5555. The Razorpay link has been put. The barcode is here. And now, as I quickly answer the questions, because you have only 14 minutes and 16 seconds left, please make this attempt to make this payment, because this moment will not come again. Meanwhile, if there are any queries, if my webinar did not cover anything for your reason to sign up with me, I will answer those. Thank you all. Let me start the timing from now. Go ahead, friends. I'm ready for your Q&A.